I'm going to cover all the topics in the web intelligence, BA Launchpad, web intelligence, IDT, UDT. So just let me open this. So what is a reporting tool? What is a BA Launchpad? What is a web intelligence tool? And what is IDT, UDT, and integration with BW with BO, integration with ANA with BO, and working with the how to work with the non-SAP sources like SQL Server or Microsoft DB. And we'll talk about the project migration. We'll talk about the administration part. We'll talk about the crystal reporting. We'll talk about the publications and what are the different features there in business objects with the latest version to the old version. So these are the different concepts which I'm going to cover. Okay, so let me just stop here. So can you guys just give me a brief idea about yourself and why you are here? What is the purpose you joined in business objects? Can you please go ahead? Joy?
So actually, I might be having a project of admin or development. Might be not sure as of now on 4.2. So I just thought to take a training on this.
Okay, thank you. Prasanna?
I am working on a project which is using SAP BO. The version is 4.2, and yeah, the service pack is 7.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Right now, my role is very not much. There are some few changes which are they are making to the table, so I'll have to just make sure the universe is correct and check the report. That's all. So in future, I might be assigned with creating a report from the scratch. Yeah. So yeah, that's why I joined.
So you are working in the back end. Make sure that required tables are there for universe, or you're going to modify the existing universe also.
Yeah, I'm making modification to the existing universe.
Universe also. Okay, perfect. Is it IDT tool or you are using the UDT tool?
I'm using UDT.
Okay, fine. Yeah, so that's the reason, guys. Even though we are using the latest version, people still using the UDT. Okay, actually from 4.0, if any new universe you are building, it should go with the IDT tool, not the UDT tool. Okay, and you guys start migrating the UDT to IDT tool now immediately as soon as possible. Okay, if you are going to plan the new versions, right? So you may not find the UDT later stage. So they are going to remove the UDT soon. I did not remember it is there in 4.3 or not. So, but yeah, so whenever you start designing the new universe, you guys can have to go with IDT tool. Yeah, that's good to know that, guys. And who else? Venu? Venu, I think you are mute and talking. When you are there? Hello. When you can unmute yourself and you can. Okay. So, and coming here. So this is the high level architecture of the business objects. So where BA Launchpad is a portal where you can access the reports which is available in the server. And as a developer, you're going to develop web reports by connecting to the universe. And the universes are built by connecting to the different data sources. So which you can use the IDT to connect to the multiple databases at a time. You can create a universe. But with the UDT, you can create a universe by connecting to any of the single database. I can just mention the SQL Server here, but yeah. So one universe you can connect to only the single database. But with the IDT tool, you can connect to the multiple data sources and you can build a universe. Okay. So once you connect to the database and you can create a universe, and this universe is available in the BO server. Through that, you're going to develop a web report. So in our training, I am going to give you the in-depth knowledge on the web intelligence tool and the reporting, universe designing part. Both I am going to cover in depth. That means, so you'll be equal to as a 5-6 years experience knowledge, experienced person. What kind of knowledge you gain, the same experience you are going to get it after the training completed. Okay, and so these are the other tools are also available. So, but I'm not going to cover this dashboard, Crystal Report, Design Studio, Lumira. So dashboard, so almost it is grayed out. So in the latest version of the Vivo 3.1, they permanently removed. So the dashboard tool is not coming at all in 4.3 version. Crystal Report is there and Lumira is there. So Lumira and Design Studio, if they combine it as a Lumira Designer and Lumira, the tools are introduced. Only the two tools are introduced in place of this. Okay, so I'll just give the brief idea about the Lumira part. And also in this training, I'm going to cover the administration part. So CCM, CMC, and also talk about how to promote the reports one environment to the other environment using the promotion management tool. And also we'll talk about the upgrade management tool, how to upgrade the older version to the latest version, that I'm going to cover. And the CMC tool is administrator tool where you are going to create a users and provide access particular reports to the particular user. So that all, even I can say in a CMC you will get in-depth knowledge like access level, application administrator access, you will get it. Okay, so as part of this training you will be getting in-depth knowledge in Webby, universe designing, and administration part. That is what the Vivo. Okay, and this training duration is approximately 25 hours, and you will get 1 month of the server access. Maybe depends the server access, so that I'll tell you later how much it depends on, but initially we are giving the 1 month access. Okay, and as I said, is the duration is 25 hours, and I'm also going to give you the material, all the material I'm going to share with you guys. I have with me. So it's a Dropbox. I just added into the Dropbox all the material I'm going to share it. And in case if you need any kind of resume preparation, so I can help you out in the resume preparation as well. Okay, and also I'm going to share some of the interview questions. Okay. So, and this training is all 25 hours is hands-on only. So the documentation I'm going to share with you so that you can go through the material documentation. So we have the server access which you're going to connect remotely. Try to open the server, guys. Okay, here is the Vivo application we have installed here. So you can see some of try to log into the BA Launchpad. So look at here. So recently we have created a few reports, guys. I'm just to try to open the same. And I'm just giving the training JK tights to their people who are already working on Vivo, and they need some extensive in-depth knowledge of the Vivo. So I'm giving this training for them. You guys, you can see this. These are all reports they created in a everyday session, right? So if you see the properties when these reports are created, you can see this date 21st, right? Maybe today also they created some user response function. So this is the 27th date which they created. Okay, so we are covering all the topics in Webby. So this is something they created using the user response function, guys. Breaking section alignment of these different auto alignment of the blocks. You can see the data changes, right? So automatically which is aligned each other. So whenever you refresh, so if you have a more data, so I'm just selecting the year 2014, 15, 16. So all the blocks which is going to allow are aligned. See, if the data increases, you see this in the bottom. See, so earlier this block is available here, but when the data increases, so automatically it is aligned. So I'm going to cover all the scenarios. So sales report with the different formatting, colored borders. See, and you can see this report refresh is on 24th. If you refresh now, you'll see the latest date, 27th of September. Okay, so I'm going to cover all the scenario based, guys. Report level block and global level filter, date function, dual axis. So you have a different type of charts which we covered. Okay, see this dual axis. Okay, fine. So I mean I'm going to cover a lot of topics here. The web itself takes a lot of time to create a report. I'm going to give some small kind of assignment as well. And also we have all the components are available here. So the same how I am logging to the BO server, the same access you will also get it. The client tools, Design Studio, Crystal Reporting, and also you have a BO CMC tool, and you can log into the CMC tool as well. Central Management Console, Central Configuration. So I'm going to cover each and everything at the end of the day of the training. So you know each and everything, what is what, and how we can develop a complex or simple reports, how we can implement the complex universe. That all you'll get idea. You can able to work, not idea, guys. Sorry, you can work on the project directly. Okay. Any questions? I'm done. It's just to give a demo, brief idea. Just to, I'm here to just give brief idea about myself. And
yes, so, yes, one question is there. This course is basically on development
and as well as the support kind of work also you can do, administrator activity also you can do it.
Means my question is, suppose from scratch I need to install BO components, all those stuff. So all those will be taught here?
No. Server installation, except the installation, everything is covered.
Okay.
If you are specifically looking for the server installation, we need a software. Maybe I'll check with Mahesh. So if you have the software, it's a very easy. But if you want, I can share the some slides I'm going to share with you. When you are in the project, you can do it by going through that.
Okay.
We have the steps which I have taken. We have the screenshots which I have taken in my previous project. So those screenshots, so you can go through it and do it.
Okay.
But normally, if it is a new project, you might have that kind. You will get a chance to install it, but normally you not. By default, someone might be already installed. But yes, it's not a big deal. Anyone can do it very quickly. It's a direct. It's a kind of quick click next. That's it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So my question is, installation, I need to connect all the ports, anything like that I have to connect the ports or anything, do some setup.
Setup what? Here you will get to know how to connect to the different databases. Is that you are asking?
Yeah, suppose a project is starting from scratch. So there, what an admin should do. So I'm talking about those parts.
See, Prasanna, there is no kind of configuration settings is required for BO. Just plug and play. You can connect to the database and bring those tables, make a join, create objects, publish it into the server, and then use that universe to create a report. Okay. There is some ODBC connection. To connect to the database, sometimes we may use ODBC connection. How to create ODBC connection, that all I will explain. I'll take it.
Okay. Okay.
It's a tool based. We do not require any configuration settings in our local
Okay.
machine.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm Madhukar. Like, is this course like, is it just a weekday or it will be
Yeah,
weekly?
it will go weekdays, not weekends.
And per day, how much? Like 1 hour, 2 hour?
Whenever I'm going to take the session, every day 1 hour. Mostly
Everyone.
we can complete it, this 25 hours. 25 hours is going to be make it some 45 days. I'll try to complete it within the 45 days, this 25-hour session.
Is it possible to cover it in weekends also? Like I was
Not
looking for.
every weekend, not every weekend. If possible, yeah, I can try to complete. I can take it, and maybe Saturday or one Sunday I'll take some extra time and I can finish it.
Yeah, that would be great. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Any questions?
And we will be having recordings, right?
Yeah,
Recorded
yes,
session.
correct. Yes, you will have it. You will have it. Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So that's all, guys. And so, guys, once you guys can talk to Mahesh and let Mahesh can know that when you want to start. So based on that, we can plan it. So we are going to start at least 4 people. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So thanks, guys. Thank you all very much. Bye.